Studying economics? Let's break down price elasticity of supply, or PES. It simply measures how responsive the quantity supplied of a good is to a change in its price.
Exactly. We calculate it with the formula, the percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. Using percentages keeps the comparison fair, no matter the market size.
The result, or coefficient, tells us a story. If it's greater than 1, supply is elastic. Producers can quickly increase output when prices rise. If it's less than 1, supply is inelastic.
And unlike its demand-side cousin, the PES coefficient is always positive. This is because of the law of supply. When prices go up, producers are incentivized to supply more, not less.
Several factors influence this. A key one is time. In the short run, it's hard to change production, so supply is often inelastic. But give it a few years, and firms can build new factories, making supply more elastic.
Think about agriculture. A farmer can't instantly grow more wheat after a price spike. They have to wait for the next harvest season. This makes the short-term supply highly inelastic.
Another factor is the availability of resources and spare capacity. If a factory is already running 24/7, it can't easily increase output. But if it has idle machinery, it can respond to price changes almost immediately.
A car manufacturer with spare production lines can quickly ramp up output, showing elastic supply. In contrast, a producer of rare earth minerals can't just dig a new mine overnight, so their supply is inelastic.
This has huge implications for businesses. Firms with an elastic supply can rapidly scale up to take advantage of higher prices, maximizing their potential profit.
Whereas firms with inelastic supply can't adapt as quickly. They might miss out on profit opportunities and have to create long-term strategies, like investing in new technology, to become more flexible.
So, understanding PES helps you analyze how easily and quickly firms can react to changing market conditions, which is a core concept in A-level microeconomics.
It really is a powerful tool for decoding market behavior. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like and follow us for more.